Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 11. Start by going into Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to tap on the same options in both apps. I will start with Realme. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. And now select Close in white pop-up at the top. Then click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android if it's not already on, and click on Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme. When you're done, go back to an Android and using all of those categories available at the top, choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like files, you need to tap on Allow and click on the gray sweater. When you finished, select Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you need to decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Realme. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Realme's camera at this code. You can always input this key into Input key section as well. And this time to connect, hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!